Welcome to the AI Starter Kit from Janis. It is going to help you build smarter Manychat bots faster because you've installed this template. So now I'm going to walk you through some of the key features of the template to help you get started and help you benefit from conversational AI from Google. The most important flow is this default reply. Now if we open this default reply and we click edit, all of your messages are going to be sent here to Janis, and a key is going to be added into this URL. It is going to send all of your subscriber data to Janis. This key is actually stored in your Manychat settings in your bot fields. So if you ever have a trouble and you're not sending messages to Dialogflow for whatever reason, check your bot fields and look for the Janis key. And if a message doesn't get sent to Dialogflow for whatever reason, you can still fall back. So we have a fallback flow here. Now, when a message gets sent to Dialogflow, it will hit a Dialogflow intent. Now, this is a very basic list of Dialogflow intents that we've included in the starter kit. And you'll want to create more, and we have a user guide on how to create more. And we also have templates that are pre-trained. They're already set up for you, so you can answer customer service FAQ, or you can answer and respond to small talk messages like thanks and yes and no, and the common things that users say to bots. But the starter kit includes a default fallback intent, and this is what you'll use when Dialogflow can't understand your user. You'll see here that it redirects to a flow. So if we go back, it's going to redirect to this flow here, what we call fallback. And the fallback flow is really designed to help you get the user to send their message a little bit differently so that maybe you can try and understand them, right? Just because they send a message once doesn't mean you can't respond. Maybe they need to rephrase it. Maybe their message was too long, or you hadn't trained a response with Dialogflow yet to be able to respond. And then on the third try, if you still can't respond, then you can refocus the user. So the refocus user flow, what it does is at that point you'll want to guide them. So you can guide them in two ways. You can guide them by giving a quick reply to connect with a human, or you want to keep them engaged and help them discover what your bot is capable of doing. So we've added a flow called My Capabilities. Let's open that flow. With this flow, you're going to want to guide your user at this point on what your bot is capable of doing to help them. So they've sent you some messages. You've tried to understand with Dialogflow. You can't understand them, so you send them to a fallback flow. Then you refocus them. And then when you refocus them, you'll want to send them to either a human or help them understand how your bot can help them. And that's where you'll want to edit this flow. So these are definitely meant for you to edit. You can see the button is labeled Edit Me, and you'll want to guide them. What can your bot do? Maybe you'll send them to a welcome message or a menu or a gallery. So definitely edit this flow, and you'll see how it automatically continues. That's because once you run the setup, you'll be tagged as an admin user. And then if you hit this flow, you'll be given a menu, and we'll guide you on how to use the template. So you can access support tools built in, or you can use some of the administration tools. So this is an important flow for you to edit for your end users, while we'll help refocus you on what your AI-enhanced Manychat bot is capable of doing. Now, to get started on everything, we've made it super easy. All you need to do is just send the keyword Janis to your bot. And all of those flows live in this admin tools folder. You don't need to touch any of these flows. We can look at it really quickly. There's a lot of admin tools. And that's really to guide you and help you set up. And if users say Janis to your bot, your end users, they can't access that because you'll be able to create a password. And there you can see create template admin password. So you don't need to click any of these flows. Just say Janis, and Janis will use these flows as administration tools that are password protected, and they're built right into the template. And we've even added some basic analytics that you can use just by sending the word Janis to your own bot. Let's go back to here. If you're curious about how it all works, we've given some basic walkthroughs of how AI can help you, so you can learn about the benefits and you can learn about how Janis helps you. So these are more informational flows for your eyes. A couple of examples on if you want to respond to emoji, how to do that. Or if the user sends the messenger's blue thumbs up, you can train Dialogflow to understand what that means. And then finally, smart words are really helpful because it allows you to use Dialogflow when your bot asks a question and you give buttons and the users don't click your buttons. And these are for simple questions like if you ask a question that prompts a yes/no type response, and be able to use Dialogflow to understand that and advance them to the next step in the flow. So smart words is a useful way to benefit from Dialogflow. And then if you want to discover some expansion packs, we have pre-trained AI and some different integrations that people have built with Janis. So bot sheets lets you use Dialogflow to understand the user and then dynamically respond with a gallery from Google Sheets. Reservation Kit is a pretty cool reservation system that someone built with Janis and Dialogflow and using Integromat to capture restaurant reservations or hotel reservations. And Service Kit is an Integromat customer service toolkit. So expansion packs will help you discover more capabilities. And that is essentially the Janis AI Starter Kit. And you can build on it because we have a complete user guide. So you'll just be able to click Get Started. And then you'll be able to discover how you can create with AI and some basic concepts for using Dialogflow with Manychat. And then we have some AI management tools that you can use for monitoring your AI, training your AI, being able to pause your AI, or if you're an agency, how to benefit from collaborating with your clients on an AI-enhanced Manychat experience. So I hope that helps, and good luck with your AI Starter Kit.